Dude, the Amtrak is coming.
Well, I'm not sure if it is Amtrak 775. If it is, it's running late. 108. Yep. That's either the Amtrak or the northbound coaster.
Gotta read it.
Oh yeah, here comes something. Wait, I may be just hearing things again. It's nothing. I believe I was hearing coaster F40 PHM2C 2105, which actually sounds like Amtrak. Yep. Oh well, in that case, this is a fan of the Padres 411 video. Oh wow, it's going really fast. First.
That's a coaster.
Yes, they are very similar to Metrolink. It's very exciting to see a coaster run on a Sunday. Coasters never run on Sundays, but since April 4th, they've been running every Sunday.
Oh, I hear it.
Oh yeah.
I hear it.
And this doesn't
It's
sound like the Amfleet train. I think this has a F59 PHI 453 leading it. Sounds exactly like it. Oh yeah, here it comes. And it's about 10 minutes late.
Hey, let's wait. It's the Amtrak.
Hey, it's not going as fast.
That's the Amtrak. 8 tracks. 8 cars.
It's not 8 cars. It's more like 6. Oh, it had a private car on the end.
Yep.
That's cool. This was unexpected. Another Metrolink. Wow.
That was really unexpected. 2 Metrolinks in like 2 minutes?
You kidding me?
Dude.
Oh man. Oh my word. Oh man.